In this video, we're going to show you how to view your top performing content in Instagram Analytics. So if you are posting on Instagram and you want to get more familiar with how to view which posts perform best so that you can post more of the content that your audience loves, we're going to show you how in this tutorial. So we are working off a business account for this tutorial. This is the 8042 Media Instagram. We would appreciate if you guys threw us a follow if you want to stay up to date on the best tips for creating content from the world's leading creators, as well as tips from our team. What you want to do is go ahead and click on the bottom right profile icon of your business page. Now, if you have a business account linked to Facebook and Instagram, we'll show you how to do that in a separate tutorial, but you'll see here underneath your bio a link to your professional dashboard. Now you want to go ahead and click on that in order to come in and view our analytics. So here you can see some basic account insights. If you scroll down, you'll see guides from Instagram that you can review or other helpful resources. But what we want to do is come up to the top and click the See All button next to Account Insights. After clicking on that, you're going to scroll down and be able to view the content that you've shared. So you can see the amount of posts, the stories, but what we want to do is go ahead and click on See All. Now, after clicking that, you're going to see sequential order of your best to worst posts, okay? And it's going to show this number here based on accounts reached. Now, we can change this, of course, from the last 7 days, 30 days, 3 months to the last year, so you can review all of your best performing content throughout the year. You can also change this so that you can change the metric. You can change from accounts reach to shares and click apply. It's always great to post and know what content is shareable. So these are the two ways that Instagram measures your content. And then, of course, you can sort from, lowest to highest, highest to lowest, or newest to oldest. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change this back to accounts reached. That is how you can view your content in Instagram and see what content is performing better so you can post more of the same content that your audience loves. If you have any other specific questions on Instagram, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. We're building out a free Instagram creator playlist, which is going to answer a ton of common questions, as well as provide tips for people trying to generate a larger audience on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these quick, simple tutorials. We try to keep things no BS, just help you with your problems.